What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another Roblox tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a coin, a collectible coin. So let's start. First, what you want to do is actually make the coin. So I do not know how to make the coin, so this block right here is going to be our coin. So you guys could just make a coin. Actually, it's going to be this. This is going to be our coin. Alright, so this is our coin. And now what you have to do is rename this part coin, just like that. And then you want to group it. So CTRL-G is to group. And rename it. Just watch what I name it. Right click dash dash. I don't know what this called, and then ungroup, like that. Then in this model, not in the coin, just in the model, you wanna insert an object, and that thing what you wanna insert is a script. And that script you wanna rename it Leaderboard, like that. And now what you script is in the description. What you want to name the script is, hold on, let me just go copy and paste this. This, hold on, bam. So script in the description, game.Players.PlayerAdded :connected bracket function bracket player, well PLR close bracket local f equals instant.new bracket open bracket colon folder, quotation mark folder, quotation mark comma plr close bracket local Bucks Instance.new, and everything here, just everything. And now to this part called coin, you want to also insert a script in this one. Name the script whoops. Name the script CollectScript, like that. You want to delete the my world, hello my world, and do this. This is everything. This is over here, right here. That is how much the coin will give you. Just change it how much you want it to give you. Well, this is what I'm doing right now. And then this is over here is how much time it's gonna take for the coin to respawn. Mine is 102, but so I could test this, it's gonna be 10. So I could just do a test. Alright. And now inside the collect, you wanna insert inside the CollectScript, you wanna insert, just go find sound, and the sound will, everything will be in the description. The SoundId, everything. Right. And now you want to go down and try to find something, this SoundId, and now just get this from the description. Alright, so you want to go here and then this exact thing from the description. And now, sorry about that, I am just looking at my other game right now. Hold on, because my other game I did this, but I forgot how to do it, so I'm just looking at my other game. You want to insert a script again in coin, not in the CollectScript, and then rename the script floating. I'm sorry. Rename the script float script. And then delete the pre hello my world and insert this. Just like that, you want to insert it. And then in coin, once again, you want to go and insert a block mesh. I'm sorry guys, not block mesh. Cut. You want to go and insert a special mesh. Right there. And then it says mesh ID. This is also in the description. I have to do a lot. Mesh ID is going to be Yeah, guys, you saw me get it right out of my game, cause it's my game. It's my game. I literally forgot how to do it. This is my game. Hold on. Just this. Not really nothing big. It's kind of laggy because it's not used to bendy icon, but it has coins in it, which is pretty cool. So once you insert the texture ID, which is also in the description, you want to insert. I think this is the last script, guys. This script we're gonna rename it after. Let's just focus on this. We're gonna write this and then rename it. Whoops. Rename the script. Rename the script. SpinScript. Just like that. And now, guys, for the final thing, you have your coin. It changes everything. I can't make a model of this. I don't know why it won't let me. So, bam. This is your coin. If you want, you can anchor it. Anything. Let me just position it anywhere you want. I'll position it right here. And let's put this game to the test. So when you join, there should be a leaderboard saying Bucks, right there. If you look at the leaderboard, right here, Bucks, and then you go to collect a coin, and now 20 bucks. Just wait for 10 seconds for it to respawn. It should respawn around here. Bam, right there. You go get it. Now 40 bucks. Yeah, this coin actually works. It's pretty good. Like, subscribe, and share. What should I do next? Collectible coin I already did. I might do. I don't know. What? It's your choice. You guys tell me what should I do. And since here's the sound. Let me turn it up. All right, let's test it out. This is a sound. It should get the sound. I might I'm gonna make 2 videos today since you guys have been waiting patiently, and I'm so close to 200 subs. Please get me to 200 subs. Like, subscribe, and share. Just those 3 things. Comment down below what should I post next, and I'm out. Peace out. I'm gonna try to get us to 200 coins because we need 200 subscribers, and we're earning subscribers so fast. That's a good bit. Yeah, that's what I'm proud of, y'all. It respawns, I think, anywhere. So you shouldn't have any problems with this coin at all. This is just a simple tutorial on how to make coin. How to make a look, it spawned right here. I'm standing here and it's gonna probably spawn like there or there. Watch this. 3, 2, 1. Right here. So yeah, just guys, like, subscribe, and share. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any time I post a tutorial. What tutorial should I post? You got what tutorial that you guys don't know? Yeah. And if you guys want to like put more than 1 coin, easy. Watch this. So you go to your model, you do CTRL D for duplicate, and then you just move it. And then keep on doing that if you want to do more coins, and then it should be there. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out, bro. Alright, peace out.